Use of helping verbs with simple sentences. I was rich. I am rich. I will be rich. He was rich. He is rich. He will be rich. She was rich. She is rich. She will be rich. It was rich. It is rich. It will be rich. We were rich. We are rich. We will be rich. You were rich. You are rich. You will be rich. They were rich. They are rich. They will be rich. I was sick. I am smart. I will be sick. He was sick. He is sick. He will be sick. She was sick. She is sick. She will be sick. It was sick. It is sick. It will be sick. We were sick. We are sick. We will be sick. You were sick. You are sick. You will be sick. They were sick. They are sick. They will be sick. I was ready. I am ready. I will ready. He was ready. He is ready. He will be ready. She was ready. She is ready. She will be ready. It was ready. It is ready. It will be ready. We were ready. We are ready. We will be ready. You were ready. You are ready. You will be ready. They were ready. They are ready. They will be ready.